inside I sit alone. I think of you and where I went wrong. If I could turn back time, I'd bring back the day of when I first met you and knew not what to say. We tried to grow together, but somehow grew apart. I held on to pride while you tried to give your heart. The seasons came and went, and one thing remained: those tears were never ending. As sunshine turned to rain, since sunshine turned to rain, a broken heart filled with pain. Face to face, who's to blame for the sin to our gain? When I call out your name, well, I go insane. I know my life's not the same since sunshine's turned to rain. First night out is what I remember best. The touch of your lips as we stood upon your steps. The years that quickly followed were lived in my sleep. The promise that I made to you, the one I swore to keep. I had to close my eyes, I tried to hide my shame, but the tears come flowing out as sunshine turned to rain. Since sunshine turned to rain, a broken heart filled with pain. Face to face, who's to blame for the sin to our gain? When I call out your name, I'll go insane. I know my life's not the same since sunshine's turned to rain. Face to face, who's to blame for sunshine turned to rain?